Good day, guys. This is Carlos of SwimBikeRun.ph. I just want to take this moment to talk about the Subic International Triathlon that's happening this weekend. Wala lang, I feel it's one of the races that is often overlooked, especially by the first timers that we have now, because of course we have other Olympic distance races in the country, like yung mga ODs like the 51s, and then we have three straight ODs in January, February, March. So by the way, nakakast yung kamay ko, so pagbigyan nyo na yung isa. If you're wondering, we're in our office/gym. This is where the SBR magic happens, and also some of our real estate work. Tapos yung gym namin na minsan naman nagagamit. So, we're just gonna make this. I just want to make this video because parang for me, ang tagal ko na rin. Actually, ang tagal ko nang gustong gawin to. But siguro minsan mas gusto ko siguro in print kasi nagsusulat kami for the website, diba? But now that we're making videos now, so ayun, I took the chance to talk to Sarita na rin and Triathlon Association of the Philippines about Subit. Kasi it's happening this weekend, and malamang by the time na this gets uploaded or edited, depende kung gaano kabilis yung editor namin, malamang Subit na or Saturday, Sunday na. Hopefully hindi pa tapos yung event, so para medyo relevant pa. Mabagal kasi yung developer ng edit developer. Tuloy mabagal yung editor ng video namin, which is ako rin yun. So, yun lang. This video is about the ongoing Subic International Bay Triathlon. So, it's the longest running Olympic distance triathlon race in the country. I've raced there a few times, and that's why it's called Subit, shortcut, because it's Subic International Triathlon, diba? So, if makita nyo yung spelling ni Coach Rick doon, S, capital, and then yung U, small letter, and then B-I-T, it's all in capital letters as well. So, yun na, minsan kasi parang I feel that Subit is often overlooked. Yung nga, gaya sabi ko kanina, by the newer triathletes, and then parang its importance in the calendar minsan di na-stress enough. And yun, parang nag-post din si Ige dito who joined the race yata. Who will join the race? Para nakita ko mag-race or something. Para yun nga, sabi niya, parang Subic used to be the best of the best, di ba? Lahat ng triathletes, if you want to prove yourself sa community, it's always Subit. So, you'll have to join that race first and actually win. Pag nanalo ka doon, super legit na yung race, di ba? And, so tinanong ko sa Rita, parang, ano pa ba yung Subit? Ano pa yun? Aside from, sa ang ganda kasi ng ginawa nila last year, or parang yung anniversary nila, yung 30th ata, they made yung parang legends, di ba? Legends of Triathlon, wherein they had our legends, sila, yung mga matagal na sa triathlon, they had them come in and then race in the Legends wave, di ba? So, that was a nice touch. And isipin mo, 30 years na yung Subic. So, yung Subit. So, I've been a triathlete since 2005 yata, mga ganun. I joined, SBR was launched 2011. So, yun yung mga timeline ko. So, imagine way before that, wala pa akong alam sa triathlon. Subit was already there. And then nag-post din kasi ako about Subit, yung sa bridge. So if you're familiar with the race, and kung matagal ka na, you probably cross that bridge from Boardwalk. Yung mga fun memories ko sa Subic. From Boardwalk, after mo mag-swim doon, para hindi mag-ekis yung daan nyo, tatawid ka ng bridge. From Boardwalk, the swim, yung sa dagat, tatawid ka ng bridge. Tapos, it's a metal lang yun. Tapos nakakatakot pa na hindi ko alam kung may natapa, pero mukhang wala naman yata. So, daan-daan ka bababa doon. Transition ka kasi yung bike mo, dadaan din doon. Tapos yung run course mo. That route is very famous, the one that's being used now. So, triathlon before has always been there sa boardwalk. But for some reason, na-move and nalagay dun sa where ASEA is now. So that was previously called Dangari Beach. So ngayon, hindi na naman sa Dangari Beach na ASEA. Siguro for reasons that we will never know. Hindi na nag-host ng triathlons doon. So, we're back in Boardwalk. Tapos, syempre, diba, lalabas ka nga doon for the bike. Yung sa loop, the common loop, and then doon ka tatakbo, paikot yun. Ang init doon lagi. So, nakakatawa kasi it's usually a 4-loop course if you're doing an Olympic distance. The run is usually a 4-loop run course. So, it's a good opportunity to pace yourself. Maganda yung race. So, yan. Hindi ko na discuss yung map ng Subic now. But I just want to talk about Subic as a race in general. So, I really love Subic. So, it's a race na I wanna keep coming back to even at least once a year. And yeah, so tinanong ko sa Sarita, ano po ba yung mga highlights ng Subic na pwede natin discuss? Tapos ito nga, sinabi niya, it's part of the Asia Cup series where elite winners could gain World Triathlon ranking points. So, it's a legitimate ITU race, guys. So, imagine mo yun, di ba? You will be put on the, nakita ko dati, actually, ni-research ko, nandun pa yung name ko. So, ITU rankings, if you get a point, yun, lalabas yung name mo doon. Nakakatawa din tignan, di ba? Tapos, aside from the triathlon points, sabi din ni Sarita, is a qualifier for the selection of members of the national team to be sent to the 2025 SEA Games Thailand. So, if you're vying for the national team spot and if you're an elite athlete, definitely you have to do Subic and you have to be a member of the national team and everything like that. So, yun ang pinaka-importance siya. Biruin mo, it's a legitimate ITU race. It's sanctioned by World Triathlon and everything. So, super important siya dapat sa race calendar natin. And then, it's also the final qualifying race for the selection of members of the 2025 National Developmental Pool. So, yun na lang, di ba? So, that says it all. So, if you're gunning or aiming for the national team, this is one of the races na you have to do and you have to gun for. Tapos, and of course, it's also the 32nd edition of the longest running standard distance race in the Philippines and in Asia. So that says it all, diba? So 32nd edition na nila this year. So count nyo na lang how many years have you been a triathlete. So kung ilang taong ka na, kung 30 years old ka pa lang or below, mas matanda pa sa itong race na to. So, I don't know, actually, I just want to make this video to give a shout out to Subic, of course, and pay my homage and tribute to it. So, it's one of the most important races of the calendar. And we hope sana mga age groupers can consider it also to join because maganda yan, pag nag-race ka dyan, you also get to race in an ITU level race, ITU sanctioned race. Plus, you also get to race with the elites. Makikita mo sila sa race course. And not only from the Philippines, but from all over Asia and sometimes all over the world. So, ayan, nagtutour kasi sila paminsan-minsan. So, yun lang. So, I don't know when I'm upload to, but good luck to all the participants. And congratulations in advance to the Triathlon Association of the Philippines for sure another awesome race. So, that's it, guys. Bye.